So let's start with the topic. What are the golden rules? Accounting is based on the double entry systems where every transaction has two sides, uh, debit and credit side. Okay, but here is the catch. When should you debit and when should you credit? We don't know. To answer that, we use the golden rules of accounting, which are based on types of accounts. So there are three types of accounts: personal account, real account, and nominal account. Okay, let's break each one down with rules, logic, and examples. Okay, first up, the personal account. It refers to individuals, firms, or institutions. Okay, golden rule of personal account is to be debit the receiver and credit the giver. Let's see the examples. Let's say your business takes a loan from Ramesh. Here Ramesh is giving loan to you, so he is the giver. Ramesh is giver, so we create Ramesh account. Let's take another example. uh, you paid cash to Sita for goods. You paying cash to Sita and Sita is giving goods to you. So here Sita is receiving the money, so it debits Sita's account. Anytime a person, company, or organizations gives or receive, apply this rule. Second, the real account. This refers to tangible or intangible assets like cash, furniture, machinery, land, goodwill, etc. Golden rules of real account will be debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Okay, let's take example. Your business. Suppose your business purchase furniture from furniture store. So furniture store is giving furniture to you and you are giving cash to the furniture store. So here furniture is coming into your business. Coming into is furniture, so we debit furniture account as the golden rules of real account. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. And here our cash is going out. Our cash is going out. So we create cash account. Okay, just simple. It is that simple. Okay, uh, assets comes in, so we debit it. Assets goes out, we create it. Lastly, the nominal account. It deals with incomes, expenses, gains, and losses. Okay, the golden rules of nominal account will be debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Let's take an example. Suppose you pay salary to your staff. So here salary is an expense, so we debit salary account because it's expense account. Okay, you are paying salary to staff. Okay, let's take second example. Suppose you earn interest from the bank. uh, you're saving money in the bank, so here interest is income, so we create interest received account. It is that easy. Okay, see, anything that is an expense or loss, debit it. Anything that is income or profit, we create it. Let's do a quickly recap of all three types of accounts and their golden rules. Okay, first personal account, debit the receivers, credit the giver. Okay, then real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Lastly, a nominal account, debit all expenses and losses. Okay, and credit all incomes and gains. Let's see some real life examples of these accounts and how it is applied. Let's see. Uh, any XYZ owners started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so here the journal entry of these examples will be cash account debit to capital account. create. Okay, why capital account is created? See here, capital account is a personal account, and owner is giving capital to the business. Okay, so here is capital account is the giver personal account, so we created. And cash account is a real account, and so cash is coming in the business. Okay, cash account is coming in the business, so we debit it, and the journal entry will be like this: cash account debit to capital account. Okay, let's see second examples. uh, Paid rent rupees 5,000. Here journal entry will be rent account debit to cash account credit. Okay, here rent is nominal account and rent is expense, so we debit it. And lastly, cash is real account and cash is going out, so we create it. Okay, lastly, see the examples. Sold goods for cash rupees 10,000. Okay, the journal entry of this example will be cash account debit to sales account credit. Okay, here cash is real account and coming in, so we debit it. And sales account is nominal account and sales is our income, so we create it. So as you practice more entries, these rules will come naturally to you. So those were the golden rules of accounting simplified. Okay, once you understand which type of accounts you are dealing with, you will always know whether to debit or credit. Okay, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Our coming next videos will how to prepare journal entries step by step. Okay, don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.